up? Sliding Joe here. I want to thank Chef JV and Kat for giving me this nice gift from Don Hulyo Hot Sauce. So tara, let's check what's this. Okay. Uy, talagang cool. Pangalan ko. And greetings from them. Let's see what's inside here. Oops. Yan. Oh. So you see here, all you need is love and hot stuff in this box. So, see this. Comes with 2 stickers, Inferno. And, wow, a customized bottle with my name in it. Labuyo X. Made from native Labuyo pepper. And Carolina Reaper. Wow. Last nito. And a t-shirt. I think XL to. Tama. Let's check this out. Oops. Ganda. Ganda ng t-shirt. Kasya naman sa akin to, so yun. Let's see, it's okay, normal lang. Stig, thanks man. We'll give this sauce a try, okay?
I think
Pizza is Pizza Telefono. We'll try this now. Labuyo X. With our guest. Right. So we'll test this now. Labuyo X.
Yeah.
Right. So let's start with my.
Okay.
Konti lang tayo. Wala pa na.
It's like 2 drops.
Kino. Get your pizza.
What's there? Come here. Come here. Come here.
Konti lang tayo. Sama rin ako. Let's try this. Okay?
Just 2 drops.
1, 2, 3. 4.
Yeah, no,
Okay?
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Okay, let's taste this now.
Yeah.
Go.
That's good though.
Not good.
That's good.
How spicy is it?
Good.
Konti to. Yeah.
You need more.
That's good. It's good. It's good.
Good Labuyo
What does
sauce.
it taste like?
It's like sour at the start. Then the heat kicks in like later on.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Get your pizza.
It's what it kicks in.
Let's just try put more. Kasi plate konti na nilagay ko eh.
Alright.
So,
Gio, there's an apple dog, huh?
Oh, it looks like pizza.
okay lang. Let's give Floyd.
No!
Kidding. So here,
No, give us normal, normal,
Yeah, I guess good. I think it'll be more. I get there, yeah.
more, okay? Let's put more.
yeah, give us normal.
So guys, tingnan natin.
Alright.
Tingnan natin ito. Oh, to my pants. Okay. I'll give you sauce, Floyd. Let's go.
Alright.
Let's go now.
Okay. I actually like it.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. Kaso hindi yung parang siyang spicy na that's offensive to the tongue.
Yeah, actually,
Tama lang yung spicy.
sakto siya, pero may konting
It's like salsa.
salsa. It's good. Wanna try Isa?
But overall, I like it. It's good. It's very good.
Nabuyo X good. Nice one. Okay siya. Pero yung heat niya will go on later. So if you put too much, nararamdaman
Yeah, it's
mo
creeping
talaga.
It's creeping in now.
Let's try soft drinks with this.
But I actually like the initial taste.
Wait,
The initial
how's
kick it
yours?
gives you.
Love it. Like it, Don Julio.